How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Guys, this is the all new Infinix GT30 Pro, which is a proper gaming device from Infinix that has some amazing features. We've got all new exclusive GT gaming triggers that will surely level up your gaming experience on a smartphone. Then there is this cool RGB lighting setup on the back, which is again something that every gamer would love to have on their phone. A 144Hz Super AMOLED display that I think looks absolutely stunning. And there are many incredible things about this phone that I'll be showing in today's video. But before that, I really wanted to appreciate Infinix for such a great unboxing experience. Not only do we get a 45 watts charger and a Type-C to USB cable, they've also included a pretty decent quality translucent back cover, and it even comes with a screen protector pre-applied. So you get all the essential stuff along with the device itself. Now coming to the GT30 Pro, it straight away gives you that gamer vibe. I mean, if you look at the back, I got it in this dark flare color, and what's special is that it incorporates symmetrical layout and mechanical lines, which they call Cyber Mecha design. And not only that, we also get some cool RGB lights on the back. When inside your phone settings, select mechanical light waves, and here you can enable or disable the lighting effect, control the duration, and you can also decide when you want these RGB lights to turn on. You can choose for notifications, calls, music, start of games, charging and more. Now coming to the front, we've got this beautiful 6.7 inches AMOLED 1.5K resolution display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and despite the fact it's a huge display, it actually feels super comfortable to hold thanks to the rounded edges and those symmetrical bezels all around. Guys, I really like the display on this phone. It does feel very immersive and you're gonna love watching content or playing games on this gorgeous screen. Guys, before I proceed further, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. Another special thing about this phone is the GT triggers that we have on the top left and right corner, and they're actually touch sensitive buttons which you can also configure by simply going inside the phone settings. Scroll all the way down and then select GT trigger. So this only not helps you to improve your gaming experience, but you can also assign different actions to these touch sensitive buttons. You can double press to open the camera, put your phone in mute, toggle the flashlight, start screen recording and do much more. Similarly, you can assign more gestures for different actions too. Now since it's a gaming phone, you get plenty of exclusive gaming features on this. Guys, when you're inside any game, you just need to swipe over from the left corner and it opens the X Boost, where you can choose from different performance mode. You can then tap on quick access tools. Here you can activate the eSports mode. This basically enhances the performance of your phone's CPU and GPU, improves the frame rate, clear all the background activities, and it even improves the touch response too, blocks your notifications, incoming calls and alarms as well. So you can definitely try the eSports mode when you are gaming. But what's even more exciting is this GT triggers, which we have already talked about, and guys, you can also assign game related actions to these touch sensitive buttons. All you have to do is simply click on add strategy, then choose between press or press and release for both left and right trigger. Now you can just drag and place the trigger on that specific on-screen action which you want to assign. For example, I've set the left trigger for the drift, and when I press the right trigger, it activates the booster. Now as you can see, when I press the left trigger, it makes my car to drift, and when I tap on the right side, it activates the nitro mode. Similarly, you can also assign different set of actions for different games. When you are in Call of Duty or Battlegrounds, you can use one trigger to aim and other trigger to shoot. So this is how the GT triggers works on this phone, and trust me, they are extremely useful. Another thing that adds to the amazing gaming experience on this phone is the processor itself. It comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate, which is a 4nm chip designed to deliver strong gaming performance and other demanding tasks, and it also features 6 layers vapor chamber cooling system to manage heating during extended gaming sessions. It allows you to set the graphics setting to smooth and ultra extreme, which means you can play PUBG with 120 FPS on this phone. No matter what game you throw at it, it's gonna handle that smoothly without any lag or stutter. Now moving on to the software side, this phone is running the latest XOS 15, which has ton of AI features and customizations that you won't probably find on most other Android skins. I'll show you some of the useful features, tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your brand new Infinix phone. If you go into settings, here we have ton of AI features. We have Folux Assistant, which is Infinix's own voice assistant like Bixby or Gemini. It can even summarize documents, images and links with one tap and quickly provide an overview with key points to answer your questions. The interesting thing is you can ask Folux anything about your current screen and it provides you with results related to it instantly. Then inside the Notes app, we have got support for sketch to images where you can literally draw anything and it converts that into a visual masterpiece. Then there are many more AI features such as Call Assistant, Translation Assistant, Social Assistant, Document Assistant, Writing Assistant, AI Note, Recording Summary, Wallpaper Generator, AI Cutout and Circle to Search. We also get Circle to Search on this phone where you just need to long press on the navigation bar and then circle, scribble or tap anywhere on the screen to quickly search anything on Google. It instantly shows you all the information on what you just circled. I also like the Writing Assistant tool where you simply need to long press on the text and then click on AI Writing to get some useful writing tools like Text Generator, Proofread, Summarize, and you can also rewrite in different tones like friendly, professional and concise. Then we have AI Note that transforms your drawing into a captivating work of art. Call Assistant has tools like real-time translation. AI Cutout can help you separate a subject from the background. You can also select any picture from your gallery, long press on the subject and then release it to see options like copy, share or save the cutout directly to your phone. Like this, we have got plenty of useful AI tools built right inside XOS 15. Next, let me show you some special features of XOS 15 that will further enhance your smartphone using experience. Well, if you go to the settings page, scroll all the way down, you will get this all new special functions feature. When you go inside, you will get plenty of useful tools that will help you get the most out of your phone. First, we have got the dynamic bar, and as the name suggests, it works exactly like the dynamic island that we have in iOS. It converts your phone's camera cutout into something more productive. It shows the music playing on your phone, charging animation, game countdown timer, maps and even screen recording. Then there is this floating window option that lets you open apps in a split screen or a pop-up window using different gestures and further improve your multitasking experience. Now let's talk about some home screen customizations and settings. Here we have got plenty of useful options which you can configure as per your need. First we have the home screen mode and you can change that from classic to app drawer. But what's more important here is you can also change the app drawer orientation. By default it is set to vertical view, but if you want, you can set it to horizontal. Now when you're in the app drawer, you can swipe left or right to access all your applications. Then there is something called icon style where you can customize and change the icon color to match your current wallpaper. Well, I like the themed icons on XOS 15, they actually look beautiful. You can also choose different shapes for your icons and increase or decrease the size as well. Not only this, if you go to phone settings, wallpaper and personalization, then go inside my themes, click on icon pack section. Here it shows all the third-party icons you have downloaded from the Play Store. So this way you can apply any icon pack without having to install third-party launchers on your phone. Guys, you can also change the text color below the app icon to match your current wallpaper. Then there is a setting called Slide on Launcher. Whenever you swipe down on your home screen, it opens the search bar by default, but you can change that to notification and control center to open the quick settings and check all your notifications. There is also this feature called X Hide, which is basically your private space where you can hide your personal pictures, videos, apps, documents or any other sensitive data. Not only do we have the option to enlarge folders on your home screen, but unlike other Android skins, it even lets you resize the folders as per your need. The best part is you can change and resize it to perfectly match your home screen layout. You can also customize the folder color to match your wallpaper, which can be useful especially for someone who loves customizing their home screen. Next, in the wallpaper section, here not only does it have the AI wallpaper generator that can create some really good looking wallpapers with the help of AI, you just need to choose the style and then write a few words describing the wallpaper which you want and then click on this generate button. It will create some beautiful looking wallpapers for your phone that are also exclusive and you won't find them anywhere else. But what's more exciting here is this option called custom one-take wallpaper. This feature takes customization to a whole new level. All you have to do is simply choose a wallpaper from your gallery and then the XOS 15 will seamlessly integrate it across the AOD, lock screen as well as the home screen. It's like having a cohesive theme that ties everything together, making your phone feel a lot more personal. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some useful tips, tricks and hidden features for your Infinix GT30 Pro. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.